Hey guys, so I just got the Sony Linkbuds. I bought these from a certified reseller on eBay. I paid $89 for these with shipping and tax and everything like that. And although they work pretty well, they charge by, the case charges by USB-C, and they do work really well. I've actually factory reset these because I'm going to be sending these back because they are very painful. And I know this isn't something that's happens to everybody because obviously a lot of people like these. They are normally okay, my camera shut off. They're normally $169, I believe, $169, $179. So getting them refurbished by the factory or a certified refurbisher, $89 was a pretty good deal. I'm just really sad that they won't fit in my ears. I must have very tiny ears, so I can understand. But as you can see, they have a hole in the middle where you can still hear everything around you while you're listening to music. They did not sound as good, in my opinion, as my AirPods Pro, or I have the Bose Quiet Comfort 25s. These didn't compare to those, but I tend to like more of a bass sound in my music, so maybe that's why. Maybe these just don't have as much bass as the others.